Lesson 8: YHDL, the utility token of the YouHodler ecosystem. The latest addition to YouHodler is YHDL, a utility token designed to enhance the platform's community engagement and provide real value to its users. It's built to give users exclusive benefits and fuel growth within the YouHodler ecosystem. The token launch, known as the Token Generation Event, or TGE, is scheduled for the last quarter of 2024. Immediately after the event, YHDL token holders will be able to significantly increase the amount of their tokens by simply depositing their YHDL on the YouHodler.com platform. As of Q1 of 2025, YHDL token holders will be able to exchange their YHDL tokens for Sparks, which can then be used to mine Bitcoin directly on the YouHodler platform. This unique feature gives users an additional avenue to participate in Bitcoin mining, leveraging the value of YHDL to engage with the broader crypto space. YHDL is designed to be a functional part of the YouHodler platform and to make your experience navigating this ecosystem more rewarding. Whether you're looking to lower your trading fees, earn more on your crypto, or get involved in Bitcoin mining, YHDL opens up a range of possibilities that go beyond simple ownership.